Alright, so in the last class we looked at translating English phrases into expressions. Um, so now we're going to look at doing the same thing, but this time we're going to actually solve word problems by creating an equation and then solving it. So the steps that you're going to take when you're doing that is understand the problem. Once you have an understanding of the problem, then you write the equation and then move to solve that equation for the variable and then go on to check it. So in this problem here, we have 5/6 of a number is negative 35. And we're asked, what is that number? So we need to understand this problem first and then write the equation. So 5/6 of a number is negative 35. What is the number? The variable x. Right. So how would we start out by writing the equation? Okay, great. 5/6 x is equal to, because this is representing equal, negative 35. And then we solve it from there. We talked about when we're solving and we have a fraction on our variable. What do? We don't have anything else to do except for, eliminate this fraction off the decimal. What is it that we do? Right, we flip it and multiply both sides by it. So 6/5 is going to get multiplied to both sides. All right, so that effectively cancels this out, leaving us with just the x. And what about over on the other side of the equal sign? You can put a 1 under it. What? So 5 goes into 35. How many times? All right, so we're left with 7 times 6, which is going to be equal to, actually we should put that negative back in there too. So negative 42. And then we can go back and check it now. Let's go, let's take this. Check to make sure that we do have the correct, so in the place of x, we're using the equation that we have here. And in the place of x, we're going to put our negative 42. All right. So again, we can make this into a fraction by putting a 1 under, and then 6 goes into negative 42, negative 7 times. Now we have 5 times negative 7. So we know we had the correct solution. So this problem here, one number is 15 less than 7 times a second number. The sum of the numbers is 73, and we want to find each of the numbers. So again, what you want to do is you want to understand the problem. And then write the equation for it and then solve it. So go ahead and try this one out. Let whatever number, it says one number is 15 less than 7 times a second number. Let the both numbers represent the same variable.